Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be learning how to download a YouTube video for all devices. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So of course there's a couple of different ways in order to download the YouTube video that you want to download. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the different devices. So first of all, we're going to start off with the desktop version or laptop version, and we'll shortly move on to doing it on the mobile device. I've actually got a video converter up here, and this I would say is the most trusted one. So it's by Wondershare, and it is the video converter or uni converter. You can edit things, you can record or transfer or compress items once you've downloaded the YouTube video or any sort of video online. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and click on the free download, and I'll guide you through the steps on how to get it onto your device. So as I said, we're going to go ahead and click on the free download. You'll get a little box on the bottom just showing you that it's going to go ahead and download. You want to go ahead and click on the uni converter on your bottom left. Now you wouldn't have seen it on my screen, but you will get a pop-up just to confirm that it'll have access to download it. You'll then get the Wondershare uni converter screen. Go ahead and select or click install. Now it will take some time, so for me it's going to be about 1 minute and 17 seconds. Now it could be more, it could be less, it just depends on the internet speed. So once this has completed, I'll see you guys once it hits 100%. So once it passes 100%, you'll get the startup button. Go ahead and click on that. So you'll just get this message saying that the installation was successful, and that means that you can go ahead and convert any sort of videos that you see online. Now you will get a user control pop up again, just confirming that the installation was completed. Just go ahead and click on yes. So this is more or less the Wondershare uni converter. There's a list of different options that you can see on here. You've got your converter, you've got your downloader, you've got your compressor. On top of that, if you do decide to go for a couple of different ones, you've got parts where you can remove the watermark. You can do the voice changer, but this of course all requires the pricing. So we'll go ahead and get that up for the pricing for you guys. So there is an annual plan of about $39.99 per year, so that's in dollars. I would say that's around £35 if you put that into for the UK. Of course, you've got your 2-year plan, which is a little bit cheaper, and it comes at $55, and then your last plan there at around $80. So that's your options, but you can use it for free still. But of course, you won't get everything from it. Basically just means that all the videos will be watermarked. So to convert the video or audio, go ahead and go to the converter, and as you can see, I can go ahead and add or drag files here to start the conversion. Now if I wanted to download, there is the downloader. So all I need to do is copy a link or a link of the audio or the video, drag it onto here, and it will go ahead and start doing it for you. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that now. So I'll go ahead and link up a area here for us. So say one of these videos, so how to download a YouTube video on iPhone, or I'll actually use one of our videos. So I'm going to go ahead and click for the link, then open up my uni converter. So all I need to do is click that plus sign there. So there's the URL, I'm gonna paste that in. So I'm just gonna go for the trial. So once you've went through the trial, it'll just analyze everything for you. So there's a couple of options there to download the video, download audio, download a thumbnail. So that automatically accepts the link, so you don't need to do anything. You don't need to do the pasting, it's done it for you. So just note that the trial version can only download one task at a time, so if you want to maybe download multiple ones, you will have to upgrade to the full version, but for now this will do. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the MP4 version of the 360p. So that's another disadvantage, is the fact that you won't get the full quality for it. Now this may just depend on the type of converter I'm using. So once I'm happy, I'm going to go ahead and click on download. So that'll just work its magic. It'll just analyze everything and download the video that you've selected on YouTube. So for me, I've went ahead and clicked on how to deactivate a LinkedIn account. So that's now, or should be, fully downloaded. So in theory, if I go ahead and play this video, this should go ahead and play it for me. So as you can see, it's brought up the video that I wanted. It is low quality, but it shows me what sort of things have been added to the video. I'm able to go ahead and play the video, so just play it as normal, as you can see, and it'll go through the video as normal as it would on the YouTube channel. So now that you've seen how to do it on the desktop and PC version, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how to do it on the mobile device. So firstly, now that we're on mobile, go ahead and open up the App Store and search up for Black Splitter or Black Hole Splitter. Go ahead, enter, and as you can see, I've already got it downloaded, but it should give you the option to get the app. This is the ratings and reviews below. It's 4.6 out of 5, so it's fairly good for what it is. So hopefully that gives you guys some confidence in downloading this app. Go on to the YouTube app or wherever you want to download this video link. So this is where I want to grab it off, and I'm going to go ahead and search for that video. So how to deactivate a LinkedIn account. I'll type in R1, which is ProfileTree. Then scroll down to the video one, click on the ellipsis on the bottom right, go ahead and select share, then click on copy link. It'll give you a notification that it's been copied. Go onto the Black Hole app, click on the black button, then it'll ask you to wait. Now it'll download it, it's fairly fast for what it is. Then it's saved it into the camera roll, go onto your photos, and just below you'll see that it has been downloaded. Now what's great about this is that it has captured the quality as 1080p or whatever the quality of the video was. You can scrub through the video if you want to as well. But yes, that is pretty much it for the mobile version. Now it should work as well on Android, so they should have the Black Hole Splitter app on that as well, and you'll be able to do and repeat the same process as we did on iPhone. So there you go, that is how to download a YouTube video for all devices. So we've covered it on the desktop version as well as the mobile device. Now if you guys found this video helpful, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.